Hey friends, welcome back. Randall here with Cooking Under Pressure YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use your pressure cooker. It's all about sweet potatoes today. It's the summertime. Just had Memorial Day. Thanks to all our servicemen and women to give us our freedom. If you get a chance, click on the subscribe below. We will get you all of the upcoming videos if you hit our notification button. This is a really quick video. It's going to be a lot of fun, super easy. Didn't know that you could do sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot, did you? Well, guess what? The video's coming up next. Hey friends, thanks for joining us today. We got sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot. Normally you put sweet potatoes inside the oven, you wrap them up, you poke them with holes. It's kind of tough to do that. It takes maybe 45-50 minutes. This is only going to take about 20 minutes. This is a sweet potato mash, really tasty. If you've got to use the oven for other things, this is super convenient. It's that simple of just putting in 1 cup of water. You can see I've got my silicone trivet inside, and we're just going to put these already sliced sweet potatoes crisscross right on top of each other. And we're not even going to season them at this point. We're going to season them after we cook them. It is that simple. We'll put the lid on. Closed up our Instant Pot. We're going to go to manual. We're at 8 minutes. Let's add 2 more. 10 minutes to these sweet potatoes. Make sure your valve is closed, as I mentioned. We'll have these sweet potatoes ready for you soon. Let's go get a cocktail for cocktail of the day. Pressure cooker already got up to pressure in about 7 minutes. Let's do a quick cocktail. Little Tito's. I call this my purple drink. It is summertime in Florida. Super muggy. It's just kind of nasty this time of year. And we just fill it with Powerade. I like the purple one. This is sugar-free. That's it. Drink this all summer long by the pool. It's very refreshing. You're going to love this one. Oh, perfect. You can definitely enjoy this with the sweet potatoes. We got those coming up next. All right, we are back. We cooked it for 10 minutes and we let it sit for 10 minutes. We just did a quick release. There was a little bit of steam inside the pressure cooker, so we just released that quickly. And now, as always, with safety, we're going to use a towel. We will open this up quickly. And you can see these beautiful sweet potatoes. Just pull the trivet out, straight up and onto a tray. As you can see, the skin comes right off the sweet potatoes, and they're really not that hot. You can just pick each one of them up. If you want to use some tongs, you can. They're a little bit warm, but the skin comes right off. It's fantastic. It's so convenient, so easy. Might have a couple of little pieces there, but look at the sweet potato. Just gently pull it right out of the skin, and look at this entire sweet potato here. Just comes right out perfectly. And now this last one we'll put in here. And this will feed about 4 people. Once we make this and season it up, you know, I have a hand blender and I often use it for these types of recipes. You do not need that for this one. This is a straight mash. These potatoes are incredibly soft. Now, we cooked them for 10 minutes. We let them sit for 10 minutes, and it took about 7 minutes to get up to pressure. If you want to put some of the skin in this, you can. I prefer not to have any skin in. I've got a couple of little pieces here that I want to remove. But you're more than welcome to leave the skin in. The skin is fine. Make sure you wash it, of course, before you put it in the pressure cooker. But there is your sweet potato mash, and that's just using a fork. Now, if you want to really whip them down, you can use a hand blender. I'm going to season them at this point with just some crushed pepper and, of course, my favorite Himalayan sea salt. Now, I've been taking a lot of heat for my measurements being a little bit off. I like to eye everything, so I promised some people I would measure this time. I've got 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now you can use less than that if you want. I like them sweet, so I put in a 1/4 cup. And half a tablespoon of cinnamon. So we're going to mix that in. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous sweet potatoes. Just a little bit, of course, my New England background. Some tablespoon, maybe a little bit less, of maple syrup. Now they're really creamy, as I mentioned, but you can cream them up a little bit. You can put in butter if you'd like. You can put in sour cream. You can put in half and half. I'm going to put in probably about, again, eyeing it, maybe a little less than a tablespoon of sour cream. And I'm just going to mix that up. We're going to add just a little bit of butter, maybe about a tablespoon. You don't have to add butter, but this just makes them a little silkier. They're still nice and warm, so that'll melt right in there and make these sweet potato mash some of the best sweet potato mash that you will ever have. You know when you go to a really nice steak restaurant and they give you those awesome sweet potatoes? That is what these taste like. I'm telling you, in less than 30 minutes, you are going to be able to make some awesome sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot, in your pressure cooker. You're not going to have to worry about the oven. You're not going to have to worry about poking holes in your baked potatoes and washing them and wrapping them and foiling them and taking them out. This is so much easier. These are so tasty. I can't wait until you try this recipe. We're going to have them with salmon tonight. You can enjoy sweet potatoes with anything, obviously. Remember, if you ain't cooking under pressure, you ain't cooking. Enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, stay safe out there.